But so, yeah. First of all, this question or meditation or the question, what am I, is not done in order for us to be calm. That's a new agey bullshit that I'm doing something to feel calm or to feel good. It's a lot of practices to feel good, which is okay. It's okay to feel good. I like to feel good too. But we are going beyond that. Because sometimes we don't feel good. And if I'm trying to feel good when I don't feel good, I'm just resisting the present. And then I'm feeling double bad. I'm feeling bad and I'm feeling bad. So it's more like and especially with stuff like that, I can't imagine, but it's sometimes intense stuff. It's like suffering. It's actually real suffering. What Gurdjieff says, it's real suffering. It's not ego suffering. It's not imaginary suffering. It's just suffering, which it's pain actually. Sorry, it's pain. It's discomfort, pain, And yeah, the idea is that to observe, allow, if we're agitated, afraid to. But anyway, in your case, it came up this more. What am I? Came like suffering. I guess the thought came as a label suffering, as well as you're having the experience, the actual energy sensation.
Well, yeah.
And then somehow it came to you. That's interesting to dissociate, like it came, oh, I'm the witness of this suffering, which is also like this actual insight. You're seeing that. You're seeing that. There's awarenessing of the suffering. But then the thought can say, oh, I am the witness, which is fine. It's a thought. Yeah. And yeah. You have something, Peter, on this, or? Okay. You're on mute, so just so that you know. Oh, I have to unmute you, yeah. Fuck, sorry. Yeah.
I was just thinking the same thing that you just said, Mihai, about that extra layer where you become more, let's say awareness becomes more aware, consciousness becomes more conscious. But then what happens is that reflects in the mind as a thought, I am aware, I am the witness of the suffering issue in your example. And that this is the subtle thing, that even as awareness becomes more conscious as awareness, it still, let's say, echoes in the mind. It projects a reflection somehow in the mind, and the mind reacts. Before, there was no awareness really there, and the mind was just going along. And now we draw attention to the mind, become aware as awareness, you might say, and then it produces that thought. So to be aware of that middle layer, it's still not. We have to keep backing out of that as well. It's very kind of tricky, delicate, dexterous. We have to be very nimble, not only psychologically, but consciousness itself has to, you could say it has to become more intelligent, or it becomes more intelligent about not becoming satisfied with just that middle layer of, now I am more aware.